Hari Om. Today we come to a very important stage in our exploration of the world of chakras. So far, we were talking about the three chakras which exist in the earthly plane. Like Muladhar, its element is earth. Then Swadhisthana associated with the water element. Then we come to the Manipur chakra, its element is fire. And till the Manipur chakra, we can say that we are still in the earthly plane. But beyond Manipur chakra, if you manage to awaken your Anahata Chakra, then there is no going back. Till the Manipur chakra, if you give up, Kundalini can still go back to sleep in Muladhara chakra and you have to start all over again. But once Kundalini Shakti comes to the Anahata chakra, then there is no going down again. So it is significant in this aspect, and also at this point you start entering the most subtler planes of existence, and like the loka associated with Anahata chakra is the Mahaloka, the immortal plane. And similarly, the element associated with Anahata chakra is air. So we will keep exploring. For now, I just wanted to tell you that how now your total Kundalini practice, and more importantly, how along with it you will have to transform yourself throughout the negatives. Otherwise, there will be tension between the effort of Kundalini to rise up, but facing blockages because of your personalities and the negative within you. So, next, we will again discuss a little more about Anahata Chakra, its symbols, etc. Stay with me, stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om Tat Sat.